my supporters, I have a very simple recipe for you today. It's onion bhaji. It's really crispy and it has a lot of flavour, so let's get started. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new recipes. For this recipe you need 3 big onions. Chop them and keep it aside. Now chop 4 small potatoes like this. Add the chopped onion into a large bowl. Now add the chopped potatoes, make sure it's washed. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Lots of fresh coriander chopped. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Some chopped green chilies, and finally 5 tablespoons of gram flour or bason. Make sure you've washed your hands. Now we're going to combine everything together. To get to know me better, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. If you have noticed, there are some marks on my hand. It's all the evidence of Snowy's love bite. She just doesn't let go of my hands and my feet. I actually really don't care about the marks, I love her to bits. Anyways, let's get back to the recipe. As you can see, all the ingredients are perfectly combined. Make sure you check that the oil is ready. Grab small portion of mixture and make into rounds. Then place them into preheated oil. Now let them fry and wait till it's golden brown. It's been few minutes and it looks like we are halfway there. So let's fry for a few more minutes until we get perfect golden brown color. Yes, now you can tell that they are done. It looks amazing and it has the perfect golden brown color. You can actually tell on the screen as well that they're going to be really crispy and delicious with lots of flavors. Now let's take them out from the oil and it's ready to be served. Check out my other recipes, and the next recipe is going to be prawn curry. Make sure you subscribe my channel. If you have tried my onion bhaji recipe, then please let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching my recipe and all your support. I really hope that you and your family are staying safe during this coronavirus pandemic. Take care and see you soon.